video, we invite you to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on any of our hairstyles. Okay guys, if you follow our stories last week, you will know that I was uploading the video and my computer died. So we couldn't upload it, we have to film again. So for today we have this hairstyle. I really hope you like it. And if so, give us a big thumbs up. Let's start. Okay guys, first of all I'm going to prepare the hair using our golden treatment. I'm going to apply just one drop all along the hair. In this way it will be detangled, shiny and ready to start doing our hairstyle. Now I'm going to comb the hair and look how beautiful it is. Now for the hairstyle, we're going to split the hair in half from the forehead to the neck, and we're going to hold one of the sections. Perfect. Now on this side, I'm going to do another division. From where we started the first division, I'm going to bring it to the back, and when you finish, the second division should be 2 fingers away from the first one. On this side, I'm going to do another division from here to the ear. I'm going to separate the hair. Now we're going to comb this section. And in here, we're going to hold it into a ponytail. I'm going to use like green elastics today, and you can use your favorite color. Perfect. We're going to check that the ponytail is firm, and we're going to grab this section, comb the hair very well, and we're going to do 4 little ponytails on this side. So this is my first division. Now hold this section with an elastic, and this one will be the first ponytail. Perfect. Now this is the second one. Hold the hair with an elastic as well. And now the third one. And this is the last one. Good. We can bring back this section of hair, and we're going to start braiding with the hair that we were holding on the other side. Grab a small piece of hair from the very top, and in here we're going to do a Dutch braid, crossing the outside strands under the middle one. In here I'm going to start adding hair to the braid. Now cross the hair under the middle section again, and add a tiny piece of hair to the braid from this side. Cross the outside strands under the middle one, and again add hair to the braid. Keep in mind you're going to add hair just from one side, and keep doing the braid until you almost reach the crown. Okay, I'm almost in the crown, so I'm adding one more piece of hair. And now from this side, cross this strand under the middle one, and in here I'm going to add my first ponytail. Now cross this strand under again. My girl was laughing a lot, I don't remember why. Okay, let's keep doing the braid. We're going to add a tiny piece of hair in here. And now from this side, cross the outside strand under the middle, but as you can see, I didn't add the second ponytail. Now on the next stitch of the braid, I can add the ponytail, and we're going to keep doing the braid in this way. As you can see, we're going to skip one of the stitches every time that we want to add the ponytails. From now on, keep braiding until you add the remaining hair from both sides. Okay, I finished here,
So I'm going to grab another elastic, I'm going to join the braid to the ponytail and hold them together. Perfect. When we are ready, we're going to do exactly the same steps with this section. In here, guys, I went ahead and look how gorgeous is the result. With the remaining hair, today I'm going to leave it just like that. If you want, you can do some curls or keep braiding. We really love this hairstyle, perfect to keep the hair up during the whole day.
Okay guys, this is all for today. I really hope you like this hairstyle. Make sure you follow us as well on Facebook and Instagram, and see you on the next video. Bye!
Bye!